Does anybody really like their disposable razor? We sure didn't. And that's why we were just trying to create a better shaving experience. And it turned out that doing things in a more environmentally friendly way made all the difference.
That's why we opened the Leaf Shave Farm. We're the only ones in the world growing heritage-bred, plastic-free razors. And this season, our team has been harvesting something really special for you.
Meet the Twig. It has a single-edge fixed head and a perfectly balanced handle, making it a sustainable razor that's a pleasure to use. You can really feel what a difference a naturally grown, all-metal product makes.
It's taken a bit of experimentation, and thankfully our Green Living friends have been testing them out along the way. They've given us some great tips to make sure the Twig is perfect for an all-over shave, as well as clean edges like beards and bikini lines. It also pairs well with the leaf razor they already know and love.
We never really thought sustainability would be such a big part of what we do, but we're really glad that it is.
There are already over 50,000 women and men shaving with us, and they've collectively kept millions of disposable razors out of the ocean and landfill.
And we are so excited to finally take the Twig from our razor beds to your bathroom, making it easier to care for the places you care about.